today on Henry's How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to make chicken piccata. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do this recipe based on 2 chicken breast fillets. So the first thing we're going to do is cut each of these into 3 pieces. And try to get them as even as you can. So that's one. And just using a tenderizer on the flat side, not this side, we just want to flatten these. Just like so. Alright guys, so we'll set our chicken aside for now. And just into a bowl, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of plain flour. And to our flour, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese. And I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. So let's mix this together. Okay, that's looking good. Alright guys, so at this point we're going to get some olive oil and drizzle it all over our chicken. And once that's covered with our olive oil, we'll dip it straight into our flour and parmesan mixture. And just give it a good covering. Just like that. And we'll just place it onto a plate here. And we'll just repeat this with all of our chicken. Okay, and that's how it should look. So let's move on to our stove. Alright guys, so just into a large pan on a medium to high heat, I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, along with about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once that butter starts to melt, we'll start adding in our chicken straight in. So in my case, I'm going to do this in 2 batches. So guys, all we're doing is cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're nice and golden brown. Alright guys, so once you start to get that nice beautiful browning on the side, just have a look. If it's nice and golden brown like that, go ahead and flip. After another 3 and 4 minutes, check that one. If it's golden brown on the back as well, go ahead and take it out and place it into a plate. In the meantime, we'll continue cooking the rest. Alright, so all our chicken is done. Now keep the heat on. We're going to add in 1 cup of white wine, along with 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we just want to bring that up to the boil. And at this point we'll add in 3 teaspoons of capers, along with 3 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to season with half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we want to mix until our butter is melted and everything is well combined. Alright guys, at this point we'll go ahead and turn the heat off. Alright, so we've got 2 pieces of our chicken there. And we'll go ahead and pour our sauce straight over. And we'll just spoon on some of our capers. And of course we'll add some fresh parsley for that finishing touch. And there we have it, a very elegant dish. Alright guys, and that was my take on chicken piccata. So in my case I did serve it up on its own, perfect like that, you don't really need anything else. But it is also commonly served on top of spaghetti. And you can also put some vegetables on the side if you like, completely up to you. That's rich in buttery goodness. I'll see you all next time.